Okay, hello. I'm sorry if the lighting looks a little off. One of my lights is purple and the other one is white because I don't know, like when I use my little app to be changing the color, sometimes it don't change or it changes back and I'd be like, what's going on? But today, this video is a little short, so I decided to add a little bit of something extra. I went and got this edge control because I believed that my hairstylist used it on me, and she actually did, and this is trending on TikTok. It's called Bask and Lather, so we're about to try this today and see how well it does. I also got this braid gel just in case because I saw something else she had that had a little orange in it. I was like, maybe that's it. So I got this as well. I would do half and half, but I don't want to do that now that she confirmed this is what she used. So we're gonna try to use this. She did straighten my edges a bit before she did it, so we're gonna do that too. Even though product had been on my edges, we're just gonna hope for the best. We're gonna hope for the best. I'm not gonna straighten it in front of you guys because I already hooked the flat iron up in my sister's bathroom. So I'm gonna flat iron it a little bit and I'll be right back. I feel like I'm like sweating so bad right now. So I'm gonna try to get this right and hopefully it comes out perfect because she laid my edges so perfect. You guys can see my hair on TikTok and see how she did my edges. They were so cute, swirled and all of that, and like laid. So we're gonna lay them down and wrap them up and do my makeup for today because I do have to go to work. I'll consider showing you guys how I do my makeup. I think I'm gonna do something really natural, like an everyday makeup look, literally no extra like I did the last time. So if the video is kind of short, I will do that for y'all. I will be right back. I'm gonna straighten out my edges. Okay, straightened them. Boom. If you can tell, you can definitely tell my edges are so long, so I may cut them, but she managed to do it without cutting anything or anything. I was gonna tell her she could cut it if she wanted to, just to get them right. But we're gonna do it exactly how she did it. We're gonna do it exactly how she did it. I don't think she used much, and she started from here to here, like there to there. And that's how they were overlapping. So I'm gonna start on this side. I'm gonna slide a little bit and she dropped that just because it already looks so good. But I did straighten it and I feel like that's like rigging it, like finessing it. Hopefully I don't have to do this too often, like lay my edges too often and they stay, because I don't want to have to lay my edges every day. Or next time I'm just gonna get them put up and not have no edges out. Okay, I feel like I'm messing up. We're leaving that as is. There we go. On to the next. knitted it so good, and I just can't get it how she was knitting it, so we're cutting. Like, just to show you guys how it looks. It looks nowhere near as good as she did it, you guys. Like I was saying, I used to be so good at my edges, and now it's like, what's going on? I don't like them. But she sprayed a little spritz on it after. This might mess mine up real bad. Oh my god, they look terrible to me. They look terrible. But and then wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If this is a really part, then this is the last clip you're gonna see me in. But if I do my makeup for you guys, and I'll see you in that clip. I believe the edges, doing my edges might fill up a good portion of the end of the video. So, later.